Hello and welcome in our YouTube channel Metallurgical Facts. Gate registration is started now, and earlier they have given 14th of the September, but it is started 3 days in advance. So now it is open for all. So you can go through the official website of Gate 2021 and you can register yourself for Gate exam. Okay, this video is just for telling you the documents required and the necessary things which is required for filling the online registration form. Okay, so I will not tell you how to fill the form because you are smart enough to fill your form. Okay, just I will tell you the documents required and what do you need before filling the forms. So please try to collect all those things before filling your form. So first thing is that you have to register with your phone number and by giving your personal data. Okay, so first thing is that you have to give your personal information like name, parents name, your phone number, your mobile number and your parents mobile number, and all these things for registration. Okay, so once you will be completed your registration, you can fill the form. So the next thing is that they will ask you to choose the exam, whether you want one exam, one subject, or for two subjects. So if so earlier we have discussed about the fees. So if you will choose the two subjects, so you have to pay double of the fees. Okay, so if you are in general category, you have to pay 3,000 for two subjects. Okay, so the next thing is that after filling these things, you have to fill the address for the communication. Okay, address for communication. Okay, so this all address for communication requires with your pin code of your area. Okay, so please try to remember your pin code of your area. Okay, so the third thing is that you need to fill the eligibility degree details. Okay, so you need to fill eligibility degree details, means you have to fill whether you have done BTech, BE or MTech, ME. Okay, so those all things you required, but this time they are not asking for the document upload. Okay, so they are not asking for any document, so no need of any document in this case. Okay, so you will not require to submit or scan any type of documents for as a eligibility criteria. Okay, so the fourth thing is that you require to fill your college name. Okay, so college name you have to fill, from which college or which company you belongs. Okay, so college name and address. Okay, so in this case also you have to fill the address with pin code. Okay, so pin code is required in every case wherever you need to fill the address. So fifth thing is that you have to fill the selection of gate papers. Okay, so what papers you are selecting for gate. So in metallurgy we need to choose the MT. Okay, and along with this you can choose one more subject. I have already discussed, I will put the link in description. Along with the metallurgy you can choose physics and general sciences also. Okay, so sixth thing is you have to select the examination cities. Okay, so you can choose four examination center. Okay, four examination cities, or you can say the centers of examination. Okay, the next thing is that you need to require one photograph. Okay, one recent photograph, and all the requirements for these photographs, and one signature of your scanned signature actually. Okay, so these all requirement about this scanned image is available in the information browser, or while filling the form you will get those things. Okay, so all that need the different kbs and in different pixels, so you have to verify those things from in information browser. Okay, so I have not included those things. Okay, so the next thing is that you need to you need to give a scanned copy of your photo ID. Okay, so this photo ID is very important because whatever photo ID you will scan and you will upload here, uh, you have to show the same document, so same photo ID during the examination also at examination center. So what are the photo ID you may upload? So this Aadhaar card. Okay, so Aadhaar UID. The next thing is that you can also upload passport. Okay, passport, pan card. So these all are photo ID card. And the next thing is voter ID. Okay, voter ID. If you are working in any company, you can use your employee ID card for as a photo identity card. Okay, so these are the photo ID type. Okay, so the next thing is driving driving license. Okay, so these all are required. One of them from this given data, if from these given documents you may upload one of the documents as a photo ID. Okay, so the last one is your college ID. So if you don't have any ID, you can just upload your college ID. So the next thing is, so you need to upload documents. You need to upload the documents of SCST. Okay, SCST certificate you need to upload in PDF format. Okay, so this is required for fees concession also. So here I will tell you that there is no document required, there is no certificate required for OBC NCL, OBC NCL or EWS. Okay, so if you are if you belongs to OBC and NCL and EWS, so you need not to upload any document for as a caste certificate. Okay, so don't worry about these certificates if you are from this EWS category and from this OBC NCL. Okay, so for SC/ST you have to upload this certificate just for fees concession. Okay, so this will require for fees concession. Okay, so the next thing is that you have to do after uploading these documents. Okay, so if the candidate is PWD, okay, so they have to upload this PWD certificate, okay, in PDF format. Okay, so these all are the documents required by the candidates. And one more documents, if these all are if applicable, means if you are PWD candidate, so you need to upload this certificate. And one more thing is certificate of dyslexia. Okay, so certificate of dyslexia. Okay, so this is also when it is applicable to you. So this is a disorder for learning, so this is not normal things. Okay, so this is for differently able students. Okay, so these all are the necessary documents you need to fill the gate forms. Okay, after these all things you need to do the fees payment. Okay, so fees payment is required after filling these all forms. So what is the fees? I have already told you in one video. Here I will tell you in the shortcut. Okay, so for SC, ST and PWD, the fees is 750, and for female candidate it is 750. Okay, and for general, or you may say for others, it is 1500. Okay, so this fees is applicable when you are doing registration within the stipulated time, that is 30th September. Okay, if you are doing in extended date, means if you are doing registration after 1st October and till 7th October, so you require to just give double fees, means 750 is, that will be 1250 for those who are paying 750, they will have to pay 1250, and those who are paying 1500, those have to pay 3000 rupees, sorry, 2000 rupees. Okay, so these are the fees for the candidates. Okay, so you may do the payment by net banking and debit card. So so guys, if you find any problem during filling application form, directly contact us on Instagram page. I will tell you how to do in correct manner. Okay, so don't just fill the wrong form. Okay, so don't fill the wrong details also, that will leave you in difficulty. Okay, so please follow these things and fill your form. All the best, good luck. Thank you guys for your attention. Hope you have understood everything about the registration and form filling of K 2021. In case if you find any problem while filling the form, please directly contact us on Instagram. We will try to help you in filling the gate form. Okay, so thank you.